Welcome back to Salkel's Adventures. Today we're in Northumberland near the border, visiting the Ford Etal estates and hamlet of Heatherslaw, before finishing the day taking in the picturesque Routin Linn Waterfall and mysterious carved rock.
We began at Ford and its amazing castle. This was once a prominent castle playing its part in the fates of two nations. There has been a settlement on the site of Ford Castle since Anglo-Saxon times. Although the castle is not open to the public, take the footpath from Ford Village and glimpse at its grand exterior on your way to St Michael's and All Angels Church.
Standing in the grounds of the picturesque Ford Castle lies St Michael's and All Angels Church. This has been a house of worship on this site since the early 13th century. Following the road out of Ford for about 1 mile, you will find the hamlet of Heatherslaw. Here you will find the Heatherslaw Light Railway, which is the most northerly steam railway in England. And across the bridge on the opposite bank of the River Till is the Heatherslaw Corn Mill. Still fully operational to this day, it is the only place in Northumberland where you can experience the sight, sound and smell of a traditional mill. Learn how the power of water is harnessed in the centuries-old mill to grind wheat into flour.
The huge water wheel still powers a series of cogs and wheels that drive the massive millstones in this Working Heritage Museum. There's also a gift shop on site where you can buy freshly ground flour and an independently run cafe next door.
Here he comes, you ready? I think that's the one we're going to get on, the blue one. Oh, it's punchy. Wow. That's cool, that, isn't it? Can I fit in there? Might be too big to get in there, mate. Alright. Do you want to know what our carriage is called? Sophie. Alice Baxter.
It's murder on the dance floor. This 15-inch gauge railway runs through a beautiful countryside alongside the River Till between Heatherslaw and Etal Castle. A return journey of 6.4 kilometres that takes 20 to 25 minutes each way. Carriages are pulled by the steam locomotives Bunty and Lady Augusta or by the diesel engine Binky.
Etal village is characterised by its pretty whitewashed cottages and mixture of thatched and slate roofs. In the centre of the village, call at the Lavender Tea Rooms or the Black Bull Pub, which is the only thatched pub in Northumberland.
At the far end of the village stands the remains of Etal Castle, which is looked after by English Heritage. The famous and very bloody Battle of Flodden Field was fought nearby on the 9th of September 1513, during which James IV of Scotland was slain.
Here we are, guys, at Etal Castle. Is it Etal? Is it Etal? Tell me. Oh, there you go, even better. It's free to enter. That's what it used to look like back in the day. This is one of the remaining towers by the looks of it. Wow, it's cool in here, isn't it? It's the old gate. So this is the old gatehouse. This used to be the entrance here, where the guards used to guard the entrance. It's up to you. Wow, it's dark in here. The old cannons used to fire big ones, are they? I think that's just been put in there as a stopper. think years ago they would have been working.
After a spot of lunch at the Black Bull pub, we travelled east to check out Routin Linn Waterfall.
Right guys, now we're off down to have a look at Routin Linn Waterfall. Been here before, a couple of years back. It's a nice little walk, just a short one. Then on the way back, there's some rocks which are just through the trees there. They have like ancient carvings on them. Just over there on the grass verge, and it's literally just a little little tract on your left hand side. You follow this track and this little valley here to the bottom. Just to see the bluebells out. Well, certainly doesn't feel like a spring day. Well, it does. It feels like a spring day in the UK. Mr. Salt there with a brolly. Wally with a brolly. Follow this trail off to the right now, and when we're coming around the corner we're pretty much there. Here we go guys, almost there. We can hear the falls now. Just a small one, this one, but I tell you what, the weather's a lot better than it was a couple of weeks ago at Ashgill Force, that's for sure. So there it is, just in front of us there, Routin Linn. Oh, got a little cave here, AJ, look.
Can you see anything? Yeah.
What can you see? Oh, there's a bigger one there, look. Whoa, what's in there? I think you'd have to crawl to get to the back of that, wouldn't you? It's pretty far back there. There we have it. Routin Linn. Nice little pretty falls, this one. Just be careful because it'll be slippy. A water cave. And now we're off to see the fairy stones, which have it's just ancient rock with some prehistoric kind of stone carvings on them. Just a short walk from the waterfall is an outcrop of grey sandstone bearing dozens of cup and ring markers. Examples of these ancient rock carvings, some thought to date back 4,000 years to the Neolithic period, can be found scattered all over the British Isles and in Europe, but their purpose and meaning remain shrouded in mystery. Petroglyph experts have theorised some kind of mystic ritual or spiritual significance, while others suggest they could have served as maps or been connected with astronomy. It's a size 7.
As always, thanks for watching, and please take the time to like, comment and subscribe.